Hello friends. At the outset, I would like to congratulate Shri Satish Pradhan Jnana Sadhana College Thane for successfully conducting a 5-day faculty development program in which more than 27,000 teachers across the globe have participated. I also admire the college management and the college SDP team for their initiative to train the next generation students in learning new challenges, in learning better tomorrow. Friends, when my close friend Mr. Kamlesh Pradhan and I had a discussion about this initiative, I was very excited because I got an opportunity to share my experience with the next generation as well as with our respected teachers. Friends, I am Dr. Mahesh Bedekar, obstetrician and gynecologist practicing at Dr. Bedekar's Hospital for more than 19 years. With this, I am also pursuing my passion of running full marathons all over the globe. So I thought I would share my journey of becoming a health conscious, from becoming a health conscious fatso to a health conscious fitso or a fit person. Was I health conscious? Yes, I was health conscious, but was I fit? I don't think so. Friends, overweight was always my problem. Believe me, I had touched 95 kilograms at one time, and I remember my mother, she had to literally stitch 2 belts so that I can fit into that scout and guide dress which we used to wear in our 8th or 9th standard. My waist circumference had touched 43, believe me, 43. Today, it is about 31.5. So this transformation from a weight of 95 to 67 and a waist circumference of 43 to 31.5, I thought this was a very challenging, difficult but exciting journey, and I thought I would like to share that with you. Friends, all this started about 6 or 7 years back when one of my friends told me about a running group in Upavan. He said, you just give it a try, you will like the group and the sport. I was never an athlete. I had never done running, road running, forget road running, I used to never run. I used to go to the gymnasium, but was I fit? As I told you, no, I was not fit. I used to go to the gymnasium just to do some weights and chat with friends, and that gave me a false sense of security that I am doing something for my body, but I was never fit. I started running. Initial runs were slow, short distance runs, but I remember that day when I was told to do 2 kilometers, and that was an eye-opener. Friends, after 2 kilometers, I barely could run even 2 kilometers, and after completing that 2 kilometers, my legs were shaking. I just could not run even 2 kilometers. After that, I attempted 4 kilometers, and that was the worst day of my life, because I realized that I am so unfit that I even cannot run 4 kilometers at a moderate pace. Friends, running is a very addictive sport. You do kilometers, you would like to do 4 kilometers. After that, you would like to do a 10 kilometer or a half marathon. So I had started liking this sport. I had started loving the group, but I just could not run because my weight was an issue. So I had to take a call. I decided to lose my weight. And then came all the diet fads. I have followed all diets which are there under this sun, and everything failed. I went to the best dietitians in the town. I don't have anything against them. I went to them. They gave me proper diets for me. They gave me diets according to my profile, according to my weight, keto diet, all sorts of diets I've tried, and everything failed. So one morning, I and my wife decided that let's keep it simple. And I myself decided a diet for my training. I am a vegetarian, and we try to keep it very simple. I eat home cooked vegetarian food. I have not stopped anything. Only changes which we did is that I don't add sugar in my tea and coffee, but I did not stop sugar. I eat eggs which are there in ice creams and pastries and cakes. But as I told you, I have simple home cooked vegetarian food. 4 meals, one breakfast, lunch, supper and dinner. Timing is most important. I see to it that my lunch and dinner The time, I don't change the time. I see to it that I have my lunch and dinner at a specific time. The most important thing, change which we did, was I absolutely avoided outside food. Home cooked, simple food, let it be vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Avoiding outside food as far as possible is the mantra. I think diet plays an 80% role. You exercise for 4 hours, but don't do proper balance, don't take proper balanced diet, you will not achieve your goal. You exercise for half an hour a day, but you have a proper balanced diet which suits your body, that will give you what goals you will be able to achieve the goals what you have decided. So friends, I have started, my weight started reducing. I did couple of half marathons, and all those marathons I could complete with a smiling face. After that, as I told you, running is a very addictive sport. After a half marathon, I wanted to do a full marathon. So then I started registering and I started training for full marathons. Full marathon, friends, is a total different ball game. It is absolutely challenging to train for full marathon. Even 10 kilometers and 21 kilometers runs are also difficult, but you cannot register or you cannot do a full marathon unless you train properly. And that training sessions, those grueling sessions which we go for training in full marathon is a challenge. And I personally feel that training for full marathon, achieving a target, finishing that 42 kilometers and finishing and crossing that finishing line gives you a different type of pleasure. This changed the way I practice. This gave me a lot of satisfaction. See, it's like a challenge. Completing a full marathon with a good timing is like a challenge. And this challenge, when we accept, that helped me tremendously in my day-to-day practice. Life is not that easy. There are so many challenges. You get success, majority of the times many people don't get success. But that failure teaches you so many things. And marathon, I think, taught me facing those failures and overcoming those failures, and again going against facing those adversities was very, very important. And I think for anybody to become successful, challenges are very important. Being unsuccessful and again coming out of that unsuccessful and taking that opportunity and again becoming successful is very important. And I think marathon training taught me that very well. During our practice, as I told you, medical practice is also very difficult, it is very challenging, but all this training helped me a lot in my professional as well as other life challenges. Friends, I personally feel that I started very late. You are very young. I would urge youngsters to please cultivate some hobby. Music, any form of hobby is very important. Please indulge into some sports. I think sports nowadays, there is a lot of awareness about sport. Why running is becoming popular? Because it is a very easy sport. You need a simple, moderately good shoe, and road running is the most simplest thing to do. So running is becoming very, very popular. It gives you a lot of confidence. It gives you, your life becomes very, very disciplined. Nowadays there is lockdown going on, but I have never missed my training. I do home nowadays because of the lockdown. I decided a proper regime in which I follow in my house. This was a challenging time, but because of my exercise schedule and because of my running habits, I could face this lockdown very successfully and very, very boldly. So I would urge students to please follow some hobby and your passion that will change the way you look at your life. That will give you a lot of satisfaction. That will give you a lot of motivation. Some form of meditation is also very important. These are, if you say these are simple things, but we don't do it. So I will urge all students that please follow your hobby, do some meditation, follow some sport, and life is very beautiful. It is challenging, but it is very, very satisfying. It is very, very beautiful. I think I should stop here now, and I again thank my close friend who is again a running buddy. We had met we knew Satish Pradhan sir for a long time. Our families knew each other, but I met Kamlesh Pradhan only because of running, and I would like to again congratulate the college for this initiative, and again thank them for giving me opportunity to talking with you all. Thank you so much.